In this video, I'll show you how to automatically turn on your out-of-office reply using Power Automate. As an example, we'll set up an out-of-office that starts right after your working day on Friday at 4 p.m. and stays active until Saturday at 10 p.m. You can easily adjust the days and hours to match your own schedule. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate. Go to Power Automate, click Create and choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name and click Create. Step 2. Configure the recurrence trigger. Open the recurrence trigger. In this example, set the interval to 1 and the frequency to week, so the flow will be triggered once a week. Choose your own time zone. Leave the start time field empty. On these days, select Friday in this example. Fill in 0 at these hours and 0 at these minutes. You'll see the flow will run at 12 a.m. on Friday every week. Step 3. Add the Setup Automatic Replies action. Click New Step and search for Setup Automatic Replies. Select the Setup Automatic Replies V2 action from the Office 365 Outlook connector. Step 4. Configure the start and end time. Click on the status field and select Scheduled. Set the external audience, for example, to all. Click on the Start Time DateTime field, open the Expression tab, and enter the start time expression included in the description below this video. You can find your own time zone listed in the description, and the number 16 represents the hour of the day, so 4 p.m. Click Add. Click on the Start Time timezone field and choose your own time zone. Click on the End Time DateTime field and enter the end time expression included in the description below this video. You can find your own time zone listed in the description. In this expression, addDays decides how many days are added, and addHours decides the hour on that day. In this example, addDays is set to 1, so it lands on Saturday, and addHours is set to 22, so it ends at 10 p.m. that Saturday. If you want, for example, the out-of-office to run for the entire weekend, starting Friday at 4 p.m. and ending Monday at 12 a.m., you can set addDays to 3, which moves from Friday through Saturday and Sunday to Monday. If you leave out addHours completely, it will end at 12 a.m. Monday. Click on Add when finished. Click on the End Time timezone field and choose your own time zone. Step 5. Add your reply messages. In the internal reply message field, type your out-of-office message for colleagues. In this example we use, "I am not available today. I will respond to your message as soon as possible." In the external reply message field, type your message for people outside your organization. In this example we use, "Thank you for your email. I am out of office today and will get back to you on the next working day." Step 6. Save and test the flow. Save your flow and run a manual test to make sure everything works correctly. In this example, the test runs on Friday the 19th of June, so the out-of-office will be active starting at 4 p.m. that day, and will automatically turn off on Saturday the 20th of June at 10 p.m. Check in your Outlook settings that the automatic reply is shown as active and confirm the start and end times are correct. You've just built an automated out-of-office flow in Power Automate that covers Friday afternoon through Saturday evening, fully automatically. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Power Automate tutorials.